When you think of Hymer caravans, you generally think solid and heavy, but this is something that bucks the trend. This is the Eriba Lite made by Hymer, and this one comes out the factory at just 1,065 kilos. Let's go and take a look. So this is the Eriba Nova Lite 465, and in this trim it goes through the tills at about 26,000 euro. First thing I like is this cycle rack on the front, which is an option. And as I said, this is a lightweight venture for Hymer. So we look round to okay, this is about the 16th attempt to film this video. This Hymer Nova Lite leaves the factory at 1,065 kilos, and you can have an MTPLM of between 1,200 and 1,500 kilos. So if you've got a small car, you'd have to be frugal with your payload, and you can have that MTPLM of 1,200 kilos. Or if you've got a larger car, you can enjoy a larger payload and go up to 1,500 kilos. In common with many vans in Germany, there is no grill or oven, but you've got a compact little kitchen there. See, here is your cutlery drawer. So it feels well put together, but it's not got that carved from granite feel that we're used to with Hymer caravans. This one has traditional Truma heating and your French bed, and then as we go into the as we go into the washroom, you can see it's got a shower tray, but it's not all fully sealed, and oh, that's not so good. Got some trim coming away there by the bench cassette toilet. So this is no doubt, no, that does no, so that does not pull out, folks. So there is no shower, which again is pretty normal for a German caravan where people usually use facilities, so that lack of fully sealed compartment is less of a deal if there's no shower. So this is really aimed at people who are going to use sites with facilities. I like this. This is a really neat touch. These pegs that fold from the wall there. That's really neat. And another thing I really like about Hymer Eriba caravans is on the back of the washroom door is the towel rail. Really simple but neat and useful. French bread there. Yeah, lovely. So this would be great caravan. Oh dear, looks like someone's pulled the TV down. This would make a great caravan for couples or young families. Really nice, really nice. So there you go, that only took about 25 attempts to get a view of that caravan. I hope you thought it was worth it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you don't already. It just leaves me to say from Dougal and from me, thanks for tuning in. I think Dougal's lost the will to live here. Dougal, oh.